Hi, this is a short video for Ariel Biernacki. I hope that I'm saying your name correctly. I have your your ECM, sorry, connected to my simulator, and it's running perfectly here. And this is your information right here, and that is the number on your computer, so you can see it. It ends in 75381. Again, everything is working good. I checked both of the 5 reference and sensor grounds, both on the injector drivers. Everything is working perfect. We got fuel pump activation, which is right here. The ESC system and the coil and everything is right there. The IAC is working good, which is right here. I'm right now checking it at around 3,500, 3,600 RPMs. It's been running for 8 minutes, almost 9 minutes. I'm gonna drop the RPM to idle so we can see the change. Usually 45. I want you to see the IAC position and the base IAC right here. As soon as I change the throttle, that changes immediately, as you can see right there. And then we can see activations on the IAC changing position, which is exactly what we just, expect from that. Again, the idle is perfect, and we have no trouble codes. If I go back to your folder, let me go over to this computer so I can see it better. We can see it better. History. So we have, again, this is your computer. This is what I usually do. I just record the first faults that are in history before I run the computer. And we had in history coolant sensor voltage high, throttle position sensor voltage low, manifold pressure sensor voltage high and low. And this is actually in the boat. Obviously, with all this shorted, this is what it's telling me that we have a 5-volt reference or a sensor ground shorted, and that's why it goes up and down. You see, you got low and high, low and high. That means sometimes it's high, sometimes it's low. That means it's open or shorted. So this is something you're going to have to check on the boat. Again, in here it starts every single time. So I'm going to turn the vehicle off of the motor off. As you can see, we are now in 0 RPM. Let me actually zoom into that so we can see at least the RPMs here. I'm going to put the RPM, the injection pulse width, and the throttle position sensor, and the IAC position. I think that's our, we can put the map sensor values. The only one that shows actually voltages, I think the TPS. You see, we can see the voltage, and I can change that in here because that's something I can move up and down, and that is like the sensor you accelerating the actual engine. So let me again start it again, and we can see how it's idle and then goes up, and then we have the normal RPMs for idle. But yeah, it starts right away. The fiber reference is sustained perfectly for the master flow sensor and for the throttle position sensor. They're both perfect. I'm going to keep it running probably for another 20 minutes or so and see if I see anything that catches my attention. Otherwise, as I am seeing now, your computer is in perfect shape and the problem might be in the boat. All right, Ariel, I will be posting this, sending it your way. Thank you so much for your business. Talk to you later. Bye bye.